In the rich tapestry of human innovation, the narrative of robotics emerges as a beacon of our ingenuity. From early mechanical automatons to the first industrial robots, our quest began in a time far preceding the digital age, nurtured by a deep rooted curiosity. This isn't just a timeline, but a story of humanity's relentless ambition to mirror and magnify our abilities through technology. The inception of industrial robots heralded a new chapter in this saga, revolutionizing production processes and setting the stage for future advancements. Delving deeper, we witness an evolution from mere mechanical marvels to intelligent programmable systems, blurring the lines between human endeavor and machine efficiency. This journey underpins a future where robotics transform industries, driving us towards unprecedented innovation and possibilities. Advancing from foundational marvels to today's technological frontiers, we see robotics and AI reshaping the world in real time. Industrial robots evolve beyond rudimentary tasks, becoming pillars of efficiency in manufacturing. Meanwhile, service robots venture into everyday settings, enhancing experiences in healthcare, hospitality, and beyond with a level of service once unimaginable. Central to this revolution is the fusion of AI and robotics, a synergy allowing machines to learn and adapt, working alongside human needs and emotions. This elevation of robotics isn't merely an enhancement, it's a transformative wave propelling machines into roles previously deemed exclusive to humans. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's evident the narrative of robotics and AI is still unfolding, promising a future rich with potential and innovation. Our journey through technological advancements brings us to a pivotal moment where imagination and reality converge. In this Breaking Barriers chapter, we celebrate overcoming erstwhile limitations, showcasing robotics not as incremental steps, but as giant leaps in innovation. Consider the case studies highlighting how robotics have turned challenges into triumphs, serving as milestones that light the path forward. Whether in industrial applications or daily life integration, these advancements signal a move towards a future where human intellect and robotic precision harmoniously blend, transforming once fictional dreams into reality. As we pivot to explore the automated horizons of tomorrow, let's carry forward the spirit of curiosity and innovation that has guided us thus far. Navigating the evolution of robotics, we find ourselves at the threshold of a future once confined to the imagination. This impending era, characterized by deeper automation integration, sketches a landscape where robotics not only redefine industries, but also challenge us to reconsider societal and ethical boundaries. The potential to drastically alter our way of life and work is palpable, promising relief from arduous tasks while introducing questions about fairness, privacy, and security. This exploration does more than anticipate technological progress. It invites us to deliberate on the societal shifts and moral frameworks necessary for navigating an automated future. In doing so, we prepare ourselves for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. As our exploration of robotics and automation concludes, it's apparent that embracing this new era goes beyond mere adaptation. It requires our active engagement. Preparing for this future means nurturing a society where technological advancement enhances human life, ensuring equitable access to the benefits of robotics. By fostering an environment ripe for innovation, we not only address current challenges, but also pave the way for future generations. This journey towards a collaborative future, where humans and machines unite, sparks a global conversation on leveraging robotics to further human progress. Together, let's shape a future that reflects our shared aspirations, marking a new chapter in the symbiotic relationship between humanity and technology.